Hello everyone, you are all welcome to lecture number 1319, and today's topic is the use of tomato juice in regrowth of hair and treatment of bald patches, or we can say baldness. And as you know, nowadays skin care products and hair care is the multi-billion US dollar business globally. And in most of the cases, they are using different type of organic or some inorganic substances, and they are doing lot of synthesis. So in short, we can say most of all these hair and skin care products, either they are some metallic oxides like zinc oxide or some other oxides are used as a synthetic product. Now, phytochemistry, or we can say pharmaceutical chemistry or medicinal chemistry, is now very much in action. Why I am saying very much in action? Because lot of researches are going on, and today in the year 2025, lot of data collection is there, and that data is purified in the form of artificial intelligence tools, and everything is determined on the basis of data. So on the basis of data, they have found that tomatoes is a type of vegetable, very popular vegetable globally, and I don't think that anybody's kitchen, if you are cooking anything, stew or any preparation, not only in Nigeria, every part of the world, we cannot do without tomatoes. So we are consuming a lot tomatoes, and tomato is very much nutraceutical as well as pharmaceutical, means it works as a nutrient to take care of mineral and vitamins, and at the same time it is working as a medicine to drastically reduce the free radical stress, that is called oxidative stress, and to neutralize lot of free radicals so that you are drastically out of oxidative stress. Secondly, tomatoes, they are very rich in vitamin C, and vitamin C is one of the most powerful antioxidants which can neutralize lot of free radicals which are produced. Second, vitamin A, and vitamin A is beta carotene, that is provitamin A, is a type of terpene, and that plays important role in your hair and skin health, because it is also one of the powerful antioxidant. And third most important one, that is called lycopene. Lycopene is another terpene, and your tomato red color, deep color red, is due to the presence of lycopene, and lycopene is also very powerful antioxidant, and it can reduce oxidative stress around your hair follicle and scalp. And also these compounds, they are capable of maintaining hydration around the hair and the skin so that the pH is balanced. You might have noticed that once the pH of the hair area is not balanced, then you will get lot of problem, and in that area you will also get lot of concentration of free radicals, and that concentration of free radicals, they are capable of damaging lot of your hair cell, hair growth, and the falling of the hair. And dandruff is a type of small white color, we can say very light is produced in the hair, that is called dandruff. Dandruff is produced is only because the pH of on the skin of the hair scalp is not balanced. That's why the dryness will come and natural oil and hydration is not supplied. And that's why these things are happening. So to cover all this, reaction mechanism of antioxidant to neutralize free radical, to reduce the oxidative stress of hair, if you apply the tomato juice or tomato extract. If I say tomato juice, because nowadays globally, lot of tomato juice are available in tin or in patches, whatever, in pouch and tin it is available. But don't go for that. It's very simple. You can extract, you can squeeze the tomatoes by hand picking. You can remove all the, we can say, the seeds which is there inside. Even by a teaspoon you can remove. Add some 2-3 teaspoon of water and thus stir as well. So your thick solution of this is ready. Mix some portion of coconut oil and always with the help of your finger deeply you put on the scalp and also on the hair, and give time at least for a few minutes, 30 minutes, let it absorb, and then you can take bath and you go on practicing this. Make the habit formation. So at least twice or thrice in a week, if you practice this, because it is long duration, is not magic. Any organic compound, any phytochemistry, treating with natural product, it's not magic that you just take a tablet, synthetic one. For example, vitamin C. If you want to pump the vitamin C, you take lemon, orange, and the same ascorbic acid in the form of vitamin C in crystalline form is available in market. But that crystalline vitamin C is whatever it is prescribed by most of the physicians and doctors is not that much effective. What natural form of vitamin C, ascorbic acid, because that ascorbic acid is having lot of other balanced minerals and other vitamins, and that one is boosting the potency of that particular acid, mineral or vitamin. So always prefer to go and get all these things naturally rather than synthetic ones. So better, my advice, please shift from inorganic, unnatural, synthetic to organic, natural and plant origin. And I will give you the formulation also, that how aloe vera plus tomato juice and plus coconut oil, if you in what ratio you mix, and you will prepare in your house, and on commercial basis also, those who are interested, they can think of it. So let me show you all those items. This is healthy tomatoes, globally well known to everybody, and it is the part of life of every human being on this planet. And this is very rich source of antioxidant and anti-inflammatory. But here I am discussing of antioxidant, and that antioxidant compounds naturally are lycopene, vitamin C, vitamin A, zinc and some other minerals. This is your tomato juice, or we can say tomato extract. In your mixie, you can do it, and then with the help of, we can say there are very, very good devices now where you can filter off all the seeds and you will get a smoothie like this, what it is shown in the glass. This is ready to apply on your hair and on the scalp and follicle of the hair. This is hair baldness. It's not complete, but it is patches. And for this, the tomato juice nowadays, I have gone through some publications, is a very effective. But the thing is that we want magic, means we are not disciplined. We will just apply for 1 week, 2 weeks, and we will say it is not effective. No, it is a long duration of therapy. I call it tomato therapy. Apply the juice, give the time 30 minutes, and let skin absorb. And all absorption means all the free radicals, I call it devil, will be neutralized. And once they are neutralized, your skin will be free of oxidative stress, and slowly these patches will disappear. So this is the image of scalp, and here the dandruff is produced because when the scalp, the root of the hair, the pH, that is acidity of that area, is abnormal, is fluctuating, and if it is more acidic, then there will be formation of dandruff. You will get white, small, just like white piece of paper, and it will be full in the head. And if you apply this tomato juice in the scalp deep by finger, immediately it will take care, and this type of dandruff or flying small pieces of white paper type material will disappear, and your hair will become healthy, and at the same time it will stop, that is, falling of the hair. It is the anatomy. Anatomy means inside the story of hair, inside the skin. So what is happening? It is having root, it is having blood capillaries, all are linked to that. And if it is under drastic oxidative stress, means lot of free radicals are produced and which are around the skin, on the skin. So first thing is that your skin of your head, upper surface, will become poor. And once your skin health is poor, it will directly affect to your hair follicles, and hair will start falling. So once you are rubbing this tomato juice on the upper surface, that is, I have already showed you that scalp, then slowly it will nourish and it will drastically remove the free radicals, oxidative stress will be over, and at the same time it will balance the pH, the acidic condition, and that will not allow the formation of a dandruff, that is white small pieces paper type. So it will help a lot. So here I have given in the form of summary the same what I have explained to you by showing the images, and I have given two formulations for those females in Nigeria or India who are interested to make it and apply it for their friends, family members, or for commercial purpose also. So number A, that is I have taken A and B. A is tomatoes are rich in essential vitamins, and all I have discussed, just it is summary. Antioxidants, minerals, and that nourish the scalp and strengthen hair follicles. All those you have seen in the form of images, and it is how tomato juice is there to regrow hair in bald patches and improve overall hair health. Now, I have asked the question and all replies given. The question is, why tomato juice is effective in hair health? That is very important, and it is on the basis of lot of recent research and its richness in different type of vitamin, that is antioxidants. Number one is it is rich in vitamin C. I have given you enough explanation, which will boost collagen production. Collagen is a type of very important protein, and your body is having 30% collagen, and collagen is responsible of maintaining your aging process of skin. Number two, lycopene. I have already told you enough. A powerful antioxidant that protect follicle from damage and caused by attack of the free radical. Number three, vitamin A. Stimulate sebum. Sebum is a type of natural oil which is produced around the hair follicle and scalp, and it maintains the pH. and production, keeping hair scalp hydrated and pH is maintained. Then number 4, biotin and zinc mineral improves the hair strength and prevent thinning of the hair and reduce the chance of formation of dandruff, that small paper type of dry material. Tomato is the best option, tomato juice, to handle the dandruff naturally. Then now B, formulation. I have given 2 formulation. First formulation is take 2 tablespoons of tomato juice, plus into it add 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel. Nowadays aloe vera gel is very common, everywhere you will get aloe vera gel. It's a very popular skin care product, is used to buy, or if you are in, I have seen in Maiduguri or even in Nigeria, aloe vera plantation is very common in houses. Take aloe vera leaf, remove the upper portion and take the pulp, and that pulp you just grind it, it will be aloe vera gel. So that 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel, 2 tablespoons of tomato juice, mix it properly, your gel is ready to apply to your hair. And a spoon of aloe vera gel, mix, make a smooth paste, apply to your hair, scalp, and keep it at least for 1 hour. After that, you rinse and then you can take a bath or wash the hair. The second formulation is same quantity. Take 2 tablespoons of tomato juice, plus into it add 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Coconut oil is plenty available everywhere here. And let me tell you, the coconut oil is a very important oil because it is powerful antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and at the same time very good for hair and skin because it is very good hydrating agent. It will hydrate, it will provide the hydration so that your dandruff formation will not be there, and it is antioxidant. You are mixing with tomato juice, so it is having 2 property, hydration and antioxidant, and it will reduce drastically the oxidative stress, that is free radical, around your hair. So 2 tablespoons of tomato juice plus 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Method: here you have to warm slightly coconut oil because in some of the countries when it is cold, if the temperature is above 30 or 25, sometimes it is liquid, but if it is below 20 degrees centigrade temperature, it is solid. So it has dual character. It can behave as a solid and it can behave as a liquid. So once you are in Europe, you warm it, once it becomes liquid, then you take 1 tablespoon and 2 tablespoons of tomato juice and mix it thoroughly, and then form a juice and massage the mixture into your hair scalp. And I have already told you that coconut oil is very good moisturizing or hydrating agent. So with this I will stop here, and my students who are chemists, very good chemists, pharmacists also, they can make this formulation, and time to time when I am lecturing, once I am in good mood, sometimes I may give 1-2 formulation for different type of health condition. So once again, thank you very much for watching the lecture.